subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Huawei has launched 3 new 5G-enabled smartphones under P series called P40, P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus. In terms of design, all these 3 devices looks quite similar, but it features different hardware and specifications. And among these 3, the Huawei P40 Pro Plus is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei P40 Pro Plus features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it also supports an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 995G chipset paired with Mali G76 GPU. The device packs with 8GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of internal storage, which can also be further expandable up to 256GB via nano memory card slot. As per the camera, the Huawei P40 Pro Plus supports quad camera setup on the rear along with the LED flash in a squarish module. The quad rear camera setup includes a 50MP main camera with f1.9 aperture and OIS support, plus 40MP ultra wide angle lens with f1.8 aperture, plus 8MP super zoom camera with 10x optical zoom and f4.4 aperture, plus another 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and a 3D depth sensor. For selfies, there is 32MP camera with f2.0 aperture along with an infrared sensor under the pill-shaped hole punch design at the front. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on Huawei's EMUI 10.1 skin on top, and it won't ship with Google Play services due to US ban. The smartphone comes backed by 4200 mAh battery that supports 40 watts wired and wireless fast charging. The device also supports IP68 certification for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, infrared port and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.2 by 72.6 by 9mm and it weighs around 226 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei P40 Pro Plus has been priced for 8GB RAM plus 512GB storage model at €1,399. The smartphone will go on sale starting from June in ceramic white and ceramic black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei P40 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSoul blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.